Every 1,000 years, our world is blessed with a genius. But in our generation, we were lucky enough to have two. The question is, who is the better one?
We will meet in glorious battle. You crazy? You crazy? We are so dead. No, we're not. Oh, dude!
Needs to be higher. Yeah, buddy. I really need a hat. Oh, which hat should I wear today? Hey, this one looks good with my outfit. Yo, Logan.
Where are they? Have you heard anything from them?
No, I haven't, but it's been 30 minutes since when we said we'd all meet up, so I don't know. Typical.
Yeah, this happens a lot.
Wait a minute. I'm getting a text.
Good.
Well, he's still typing.
What did it say?
We're going to be late. Wow, thanks, Logan. What? No.
Well, yeah, so like meeting back in Melbourne, so I have to specifically go on Friday and drive there Saturday morning.
Oh, that doesn't sound that bad.
So then I went to my professor's and I mean, what do you think?
Wait, what?
Are you playing Clash again? Give me this.
Hey!
My favorite quote of Lance's is, you can't even do a pull-up. I can't even imagine not being able to do one pull-up.
Yeah, buddy!
My favorite quote of Logan is, it's unfortunate how many people bring cookies to this house.
What is this garbage?
So my favorite Logan quote is, you have terrible taste in soap.
Hey guys, I made muffins!
Oh, nice.
Want to try it?
Yeah.
I don't know if there's enough cinnamon in them or not.
Yeah, they're pretty tasteless.
The cinnamon. He means the cinnamon.
Well, I guess it's too close to call. Perhaps we'll find out who the true winner is once they finish grad school.
Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heartbeat?
Hey Lance and Logan, congrats on graduating and finishing up senior design. I'm just so happy that I've gotten to know you guys so well. You're so hilarious, and I love how unashamed you are, and I just love that you're doing what you love. So I'm so excited to see what God has planned for you, and I'll see you next year. So bye.
Hey Lance, hey Logan. Well, at first I thought I would have to script this video because I was worried I wouldn't be able to say enough nice things. But I'm just teasing. But after reflecting over these past 3 years, I truly think that I could never have had two greater friends than you guys. You've made being at UCF an adventure, from square dancing to swing dancing, rock climbing and volleyball. It's just been a blast, and I just thank God that He brought you guys into my life. I'm really glad that this is not an actual goodbye video, and that I'll see you guys in the fall, and we'll miss you a lot over the summer. God has blessed you too with so many talents, so many. And I'm just really excited that to see where God takes you with them, and I hope that you get every blessing because you two deserve it. And I guess that's it. Martha, do you have anything you want to add? She agrees. Love you guys.
Lance and Logan, you know, before I met you, there were a million things I hadn't done, a million videos I hadn't watched, and just you wait. Oh, sorry. It's crazy that we haven't even known each other for 3 years, but it feels like a lot longer than that. Swing dancing, rock climbing, surfing, savage races. I didn't really think I'd ever do any of those things, but man, it's been a blast. I don't know what grad school holds for all of us, but all I know is it won't include senior design. Well, sort of. It'll never really be done. Alright, I'm probably getting close to my time limit, so see ya, nerds.
What's up, Sir Lancelot and Yo Logan? I'm gonna miss you guys. It's been a lot of fun jump styling and playing volleyball and spike ball and hanging out with you guys. And I'm glad the competition today went really well. But you should know that my favorite twin is definitely neither of you. I can't stand it. Ugh.
Hi Lance, hi Logan. I can't address both of you separately because I only have a couple seconds. But I just wanted to say that even though I roasted you guys really badly, you guys have been such great friends and really wonderful people deep down. And I'm so glad that I've gotten to meet you guys and get to know you guys. And selfishly, I'm really glad that you guys are so smart and talented and you're staying here for grad school, so don't say goodbye just yet. So I look forward to seeing you in the fall.
And congrats on graduating.
It was a blast filming your roast. Hopefully you weren't offended by anything, or not, you know, we don't really care.
I'm super glad you guys got into grad school, so that means we'll see you for a few more years.
Yeah, we have to go to campus now, so that's pretty much all we had time to say, but, you know, hopefully you guys had fun, and we'll have a good, fun couple of years.
Alright, see ya.
Was she recording?
There's the mouse falling. This is most manly. Just kidding. Sorry.
Dang it! That sucks. Like this. Yeah, the first time was a lot better than the other two. I don't know what happened that last time. I guess I must have grabbed on it with my left hand or something. I don't have good ripping mechanics, apparently.